purchased some new carbide end mills off of Amazon. I got both 1/16 inch and 1/32 inch, the small one here, and the 1/16 inch is broken, but I was using those 1/16 inch end mills to engrave the Star Trek Insignia, my comm badges, onto aluminum. And when I was machining this, I learned that my machine acceleration was way too slow. The machine would only get to about 10 inches per minute, when in reality I should have it at like 20 inches per minute. Way too slow. And because I'm using an adaptive toolpath, basically it accelerates barely at max speed, decelerates, accelerates, decelerates, because it's such a small thing there compared to the size that the end mill is. So I did some experimenting to increase acceleration. First one here, my acceleration was at 30 millimeters per second. Second one here, 50 millimeters per second. And it worked just fine. I also increased the optimal load to 0.015 inches. My third attempt, not so well. I lost some steps. I originally thought that was because of acceleration, but it was because of my max speed. They caused stepper motors to stall. My fourth attempt worked fine, just too slow still. That was at 60 millimeters per second. The last one here was 100 millimeters per second, because I forgot to say that. And then I tried again at 70 millimeters per second. And that was too slow, and I broke an end mill. I have no idea how. I don't know why it broke. Doesn't make sense. Or I was missing something. Here, I was running it at a lower max speed now, and a higher acceleration of 100 millimeters per second. And that worked good. Almost as fast as I wanted to be, but it still wasn't getting to the 20 inches per minute. 20 inches per minute. My attempt here had all the way at 150, and that worked, I believe. I'm just going to look at my notes here. Yeah, that worked fine. But then it was when I put it to 200 that I broke an end mill. And I think that's because the lead in and lead out rates would increase the speed of the machine beyond 20 inches per minute, and then wouldn't decelerate fast enough. So when I lowered that and the acceleration back to 150, then it worked fine. And that's how I figured out how to successfully cut that in aluminum. Cut the Star Trek Insignia in aluminum, which I will be doing in a future project. This aluminum bar was just a bunch of test cuts and scrap material I had. A pretty good waste of material, but I had it